So hello everyone, welcome to acmDev's Spring General Meeting, and I'm Sam Sandoval, the Dev Director, and I'm really excited to be showing to you what is Dev and some of our upcoming plans for this semester. So what is Dev, you might ask, and I will explain that in just a moment. So Dev's mission is to empower students to create hands-on projects in STEM fields that solve real-world problems. And I believe that to the core, and I really am excited and passionate about building projects and building products that really help connect students to industry technology, as well as help them really get to feel like do what they really like. Because we know that as a computer science major, there's a lot of theoretical stuff we learn from things like data structures, algorithms, to some niche programming languages like C++. And we want to know, is there anything else out there? Like what will make me tick? And I really believe that as a path with ACM, we can really explore the world of software development and help students to create projects that solve meaningful problems in the real world. So that's ACM Dev. So what is Dev? At our core, we are developers, and we're really passionate about connecting students with project-based learning and applying this passion and the skills to a real-world project that could help solve problems. And one of the main things we're going to do that through is exploring tech stacks used by the industry. And here are some examples of a program I led last semester, our first Zero to Hero project program called Code Sprint, teaching students how to use React Native. We're not going through that approach this semester, which we'll be sharing more of that later. But yeah, that's pretty much what Dev is at its core, and really passionate about project development and helping students to apply what they're learning in class or learn what they're not learning in class into something that is used in industry. So that's what Dev is in a nutshell. So who are the people behind the scenes? Who's actually making this all work out? This is the lovely Dev team. So hello again, everyone. My name is Samuel Sandoval. I'm this semester's Dev Director. And I'll pass it on to my team to go one by one.
Hi guys, my name is Armand Ambia, and I am a second-year sophomore. I am a computer science major and applied math minor, and I can't wait to work with you guys.
My name is Wesley Chow, and I'm a second year here at Cal State Fullerton, and I can't wait to work with you guys too.
Yeah, I'm Sammy Bajwa, also a second-year computer science major, and let's make some projects.
Yeah, and I just realized that our whole team is second years. Although we may not be like, seniors or juniors, we still have the passion, and we're really interested in project-based learning. So this is the team making it all happen. So really excited for what we have in store this semester. So yeah. All right, so here's where we get to the good stuff. We have a few great events that are coming up that y'all should definitely check out. So this is a new one that we're kind of partnering with Tuffy Hacks with, is Intro to Hackathons. So we know that hackathons can seem intimidating and are not really a concept or type of event people really know about. So ACM Dev is working with the Tuffy Hacks team to put a workshop together called Intro to Hackathons. And here we'll be teaching you, not teaching you, but more like explaining to you what a hackathon is, giving some of those good tips, insiders of how you could really make the most out of them, why you should attend one. And there'll be a little activity at the end to really get a feel of like what the beginning of a hackathon looks like with a little idea exercise. So definitely check that out. It'll be February 12th at 6 p.m. on Zoom. We'll drop the link on the announcements channel. And also, I'll be plugging Tuffy Hacks, and that's in the slide later. But yeah, definitely check out. This is going to be next week's event. All right, so our first, I guess, ACM Dev event is going to be project design. So we're going to be learning how to formulate your project idea. A lot of the times when I see people who want to build a project, they kind of get stuck at, what are we going to build? What problem should we solve? And that's going to be really what this workshop focuses on, teaching students how to understand like what they're trying to build. And really, if it's the problem worth solving, what are some great solutions? Like, I know there's different ways of doing this, but we as an ACM Dev team have really discussed and really formulated how we can get this done. And we're going to also teach you how to properly plan your technical project, whether you want to build something in AI, robotics, machine learning, whatever. We want to make sure that we help you kind of get the groundwork and the foundation of your project established so that you can, project and move forward. So yeah, definitely check that out. It'll be on February 19th at 6:30. We'll also have it on the calendar. So yeah, that's the project design event that's coming up. All right, so the next event after that is going to be Intro to Agile. So here we'll be teaching you one of the most used software development processes used in industry, and teach you how to plan sprints for your projects. And this is going to be kind of one of the last workshops we offer for the projects that we're offering, or that we're kind of putting together this semester, just so that students know how to plan sprints and really how to work together collaboratively in code. And this is definitely one that you definitely need to check out if you're interested in working with acmDev, because we really want to make sure that you know how to plan out sprints and really carry out a project effectively through the term of the semester. So definitely mark this on your calendar. Oh, and then here's this one. As I kind of hinted earlier, TopVX 2021, Cal State Fullerton's first virtual 24-hour hackathon. This is pretty much a hackathon. I didn't really explain it, but is an event where you kind of spend time over a weekend and build technology and really build products that can solve real world problems and compete for some great prizes. So this is something you should definitely check out, kind of like acmDev, but in a weekend. And it's something you should really check out March 27th, 28th. And you can apply now at toughviehacks.com. And I'm really excited for this event, and definitely check that out. Mark this on your calendar as an event you should definitely check out. So that's all our events. And here's some ways that you guys can stay connected with us. So here's our brand new website that none of you probably know about because we haven't broadcasted it, but it's acmcsuf.com. There's still a little construction going on, but it's a brand new fleshed out website with our new branding and identity if you've seen it on Instagram. And also we have the tiny URL if you're not on the Discord, and if you are, then welcome again. So yeah, that's that. Lastly, we have something new we're doing different from past. So we're having all of our members sign up with our interest form. So the way that we're doing an interest form is to collect your information, major, your skill set and all that. And we're actually having a little matching system so that we kind of connect students that, have similar passions and similar goals with what types of projects they want to build, so that when on our first couple of meetings, we match and really help you out to get acquainted and help you formulate a great project idea. So definitely fill this form out. Our deadline will be next Friday. So definitely make sure you put it on your to-do list to get this done so that you can be part of the great projects that we have planned for this semester. And yeah, thank you for coming. I know this was really short and brief, but this is acmDev in a nutshell. We have a lot of stuff planned, and thanks again for coming to our quick spring general meeting.